In this module, we're going to explore how disc profiling actually works. Imagine a person that sits the disc in power assessment. Each time they answer a question during the quiz, this plots how likely that person is to be either an extrovert or an introvert. Everybody is somewhere on that scale. They might be more towards the extroverted end of the scale, or they might be closer towards the introvert. Each time they're answering a question, the tool plots where they are positioned on that scale. The second axis that the tool assesses them on is whether they're results focused or people focused. Again, everybody is somewhere on that scale, and each time the person answers a question, the tool narrows it down to find out where that person is most likely based on those two axes. The disc tool takes those two axes and turns them on one of them on the side to form the disc grid. By plotting where they are on the results focused or people's focused axis and the introvert versus extrovert axis, that gives us an exact position on where they lie on the disc grid. You can see this person that we've plotted there today is more results focused than people focused and more extroverted than introverted. That puts them in the D position on the disc grid. From here we overlay the disc in power mascots to help us remember the four primary styles using the disc tool. The D, which stands for dominant, has a lion as a mascot. The I, which stands for influencer, has a monkey as a mascot. The S, which is steady, has a goldfish as a mascot. And C, for compliant, has the turtle for the mascot for that profile type. Disc in power also uses human mascots as well. For the dominant, it's Dominic. For I, it's Iggy, the influencer. For S, it is Sammy, who's steady. And for C, it's Clyde, who is of the compliance or compliant disc type. After completing their disc assessment and the tool is given the rating for the user, it then dwells into all the data that's been pre-programmed within the instrument. That data is used to write an individual report that is specific to that person.